For most of human history, having many children was normal. Families were larger. Children helped at home. Many worked from a young age. And because life was harder, parents often had more babies. But today, something very different is happening. Around the world, humans are having fewer children. In the 1960s, the average woman had around 5 children. By 1990, that number had fallen to around 3.3. Today, the global average is close to 2.2 children per woman. That may still sound like enough. But there is one important number, 2.1. This is called the replacement level. In simple terms, it is the number of children needed for a population to replace itself over time, without migration. And now, more than half of the world's countries and territories are already below that level. This is not just happening in one country. It is happening in Europe. It is happening in East Asia. It is happening in North America. And it is beginning to happen in many parts of Latin America too. In many rich countries, the change is even more dramatic. Across OECD countries, fertility fell from around 3.3 children per woman in 1960, to just 1.5 in 2022. In South Korea, one of the most extreme examples, the fertility rate has fallen below 1 child per woman. So the question is simple. Why are humans having fewer babies? The answer is not only biological. It is economic. It is cultural. It is psychological. And it is deeply human. People are studying longer. They are marrying later. Housing is more expensive. Raising children costs more. Women have more education, more choices, and more professional goals. Many couples want children, but not as many as previous generations. Others delay the decision for so long that the window becomes smaller. And some people simply decide not to have children at all. This creates a strange paradox. Humanity has never been richer, safer, and more technologically advanced. But in many societies, having children feels harder than ever. The result is not immediate extinction. That is not how population works. But it does create a slower, older world. Fewer babies today means fewer young adults tomorrow. Fewer young adults means fewer workers. Fewer workers means more pressure on pensions, healthcare systems, schools, cities, taxes, and economic growth. At the same time, people are living longer. By 2050, the United Nations estimates that 1 in 6 people in the world will be over the age of 65. That is a massive change in the structure of society. For thousands of years, humanity was shaped like a pyramid. Many young people at the bottom. Fewer old people at the top. But now, in many countries, that pyramid is becoming a column. And in some places, it may even become upside down. This changes everything. Politics. Immigration. Healthcare. Housing. Family life. The future of work. Even the meaning of retirement. Some people see falling birth rates as a good thing. Fewer humans could mean less pressure on the planet. Less pollution. Less competition for resources. Others see it as a serious warning. A society with too few children may become older, slower, lonelier, and economically weaker. The truth is probably more complex. The problem is not simply that people are having fewer babies. The real question is why so many people feel that building a family has become too difficult. Because behind every fertility chart, there is a human story. A couple waiting for more financial stability. A woman choosing her career. A man afraid of not being able to provide. A family facing the cost of housing. A society trying to balance freedom, money, love, and the future. The world is not running out of babies everywhere. But in many countries, the direction is clear. The future may not be decided only by artificial intelligence, wars, climate, or money. It may also be decided by one quiet number. How many children humans choose, or can afford, to have. This is dynamic humans. Human history, human behavior, and human future. Explained by numbers.